Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to make Facebook VIP account. For this one you have to open Facebook, and first of all you have to add your profile picture and cover photo. You have to add any stylish profile picture and cover photo. So first of all we'll add this image, and then you have to save the image, and then you have to add your cover. You can add any stylish cover, and then you have to save. So once you will add your profile picture and cover photo, you have to scroll down and then you have to click on edit public details. You have to click on it, and here in details section you have to click on add. Click on add work. Now from here you have to search Facebook VIP account, and then here you will see so many Facebook VIP accounts. You can select anyone. So first of all we'll select this one. If you want to share this, you can share, otherwise you have to close this one. Again you have to click on add work. Again you have to search Facebook VIP account. This time you have to select a different one. We'll select this one. Click on save. Close this one. Again you have to add this one. You have to add this one 5 times. This time we'll select this one. Click on save. So once you will add 5 times Facebook VIP account, then you have to click on save, and it will appear here on your profile also. So here you can see we have added all. Again you have to click on edit public details. Now you have to add your bio. In bio you have to add something stylish. Paste in your bio section and you can write it down here. Click on save. And then you have to scroll down. Now you have to add stylish featured photos. You have to click on these photos one by one and you have to add stylish photos. And then you have to click on save. Go back to your profile and refresh. So here you can see our Facebook VIP account is now ready. Here you can see featured photos also, and now our simple Facebook account is turned into VIP account. In the same way you can also make Facebook VIP account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.